Lesson number 4, Chemical Kinetic, 12 Science, English Medium, Subject Chemistry, Exercise question number 1. From the rate expression from the following reaction, determine the order of reaction and the dimension of the rate constant. Here we have 4 equations. First, 3NO gas gives N2O gas, rate is equals to K NO raised to 2. Second equation, H2O2 aqueous plus 3I minus aqueous plus 2H plus gives 2H2O liquid plus I3 minus, rate is equals to K H2O2 into concentration of I minus. Equation 3, CH3CHO gas gives CH4 gas plus CO gas, rate is equals to K CH3CHO raised to 3 by 2. And fourth one, C2H5Cl gas gives C2H4 gas plus HCl gas, rate is equals to K C2H5Cl. My dear friends, this is the equation. Now, the question asked to us, first of all, we have to calculate order of reaction. So, question number 1, order of reaction, the rate is equals to K NO raised to 2. So, this 2 is called your order of reaction. So, for first order of reaction is equals to what, my dear friends? 2. Now, remember friends, to determine the dimension of the rate constant for nth order reaction. For which reaction? Nth order reaction. Moles per liter raised to 1 minus n into time inverse. Moles per liter raised to 1 minus n into time inverse. Dear friends, order of reaction is 2, so we can say that dimension is equals to moles per liter raised to 1 minus 2, because we get the order of reaction 2 into time is taken in second. The second inverse. So we can say that moles per liter raised to minus 1 into second inverse is equals to mole minus 1 upon liter minus 1 into second inverse. Liter minus 1 ऊपर चला जाएगा. So we can say that liter mole minus 1 second inverse. So for question number 1, the order of reaction is 2 and dimension is liter mole minus 1 second inverse. Now, for the second question, for this second question, the rate is equals to K concentration of H2O raised to 1, I minus raised to 1. So again, my dear friends, order of reaction is equals to 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is equals to what? 2. And again it is a 2, means the dimension is liter mole minus 1 second inverse. For the question number 3, the rate is equals to K CH3CHO raised to 3 by 2. My dear friends, order of reaction is equals to 3 by 2. Now what about the dimension? Dimension is equals to moles per liter raised to 1 minus 3 by 2 into second inverse. Again, 1 minus 3 by 2 means moles per liter raised to minus 1 by 2 second inverse. Do the simplification. It becomes mole minus 2 liter, इसको ऊपर ले लो, तो liter raised to 1 by 2 into second inverse. And the question number 4 is, the rate is equals to K C2H5Cl raised to 1. मतलब answer of fourth question is order of reaction is 1. So my dear friends, dimension is equals to moles per liter raised to 1 minus 1 into second inverse. My dear friends, 1 minus 1 means 0. So answer is second inverse. So this is your question number 1. Once again, my dear friends, rate constant for a first question k NO raised to 2, मतलब ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन क्या हो गया 2. याद रखने का nth ऑर्डर के लिए डायमेंशन गिनने का फॉर्मूला क्या है, तो मोल्स पर लीटर रेज़ टू 1 माइनस n इंटू टाइम इनवर्स. हियर ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन इज 2, तो मैंने यहाँ 2 प्लेस किया. 1 माइनस 2 मतलब -1. ये -1 को ब्रैकेट में लेकर आया, सिंप्लीफाई किया, देन आई विल गेट द आंसर लीटर मोल -1 सेकंड इनवर्स. सेम एज for this second equation H2O raised to 1 I minus raised to 1, so order of reaction मतलब addition of these two power 1 plus 1 what 2, so again dimensions would be same, liter mole minus 1 second inverse. Now for the question number 3, the power is 3 by 2, so order of reaction is equals to 3 by 2, dimension 1 minus 3 by 2 मतलब 1.5 minus 1 half second raised to minus 1, इसको simplify किया तो mole minus 2 liter raised to 1 half second inverse. And finally, the rate is equals to Kc2H5Cl raised to 1 power. So order of reaction is equals to 1. Friends, the dimension moles per liter is 1 minus 1, 0 means simple second inverse. Okay friends, so by this way you have to calculate this numerical. Thank you very much.